Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if you just using your Instagram and you receive error on it that your action blocked and you can't do something on Instagram, so just follow users or comment something or like photos, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to try, just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find, if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and just turn on mobile data. So just try to use mobile data. Also you can try to use, if you have access for another Wi-Fi network, just try to use another Wi-Fi network and just open your Instagram again and just try to make some actions on it. And if you have errors with it again, so you can try to log in into your account from another device if you have access, for example another phone, or use computer for it. So just try, and if it doesn't help you and you on this error action blocked, you don't see how much hours or day you need to wait. You need to wait until it will unlock your action. So you just need to wait. Sometimes it also takes 1 day, 2 days, sometimes 10 days. So just wait. You need to do anything. You need to do nothing. So just try to just don't use Instagram for some time and just try again, maybe to log in into your account in 2 or 3 days, and just try again. If you receive this error, just wait again, and you need to wait. So it depends on situation for how much time, but you won't find another way so for fixing it. So just try. I hope that this video helps you. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.